In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix high ping here in Fortnite Chapter 7. If this guide has helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do first is actually select your profile icon and then open up your settings. And once you do open up your settings, what you're going to want to do is go to the fourth tab, which is that gaming tab here, and open up your matchmaking region. Make sure you set this to the region by using these arrows to change it to whatever section has the least MS next to it. You could leave it on auto, but I would recommend just forcing it to go to whatever has the least MS or whatever the fastest region is for you for more stability. After you do that, hit apply down at the very bottom. Now from here, what I would recommend doing is just make sure that you don't have a game updating, make sure that you're not installing any apps, and make sure that someone else who might be on your network isn't streaming or downloading. On top of that, close anything that is using up your internet in the background. High ping can happen if any of those are going on. Now, the third thing that I would do is use a wired connection. Wi-Fi is obviously super convenient, but it can cause unstable ping. A direct Ethernet cable from your router to your gaming device is going to give you by far the best connection. If your router is far away, you can use a power line adapter instead, and it's going to send the internet through your home's electrical wiring, which is almost as reliable as a full wired setup, and you can get something like that on Amazon. This makes your ping so much more stable and helps eliminate packet loss. But that is it. After applying these tips, go back into Fortnite and your ping should be way lower and a lot more stable. No more delayed builds and no more rubber banding. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Peace.